Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Edmond Mindaros. And for today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you guys on how to go about resolving if you're having an issue with the Windows blue screen error, interrupt exception not handled, and this would occur on Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So this error may be caused by multiple reasons such as outdated or corrupted driver, damaged registry, corrupted and missing system files. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to delete the specific files. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin? All you have to do is to open up on a search menu. And dito sa search for apps, so type mo lang dito yung File Explorer. And then, i-click mo lang dito yung open. So, once na-open mo na itong ating File Explorer, so dito lang sa left side menu and select mo lang dito yung this PC. And dito sa devices and drive, so i-select mo lang yung ating C drive. So, select and double click. And next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito or i-locate mo dito yung Windows. So, select and double click ulit. And dito sa Windows, ang next step ay i-locate mo lang yung System32. So, kailangan mo lang mag-scroll down. And then, locate natin dito yung System32. So, select and double click ulit. And dito sa System32, so may mga kailangan nating i-delete dito na files. So, una, ito yung apoim32.exe. So, kailangan mo lang i-locate dito yung apoim32.exe. So, select mo lang yan and kailangan lang natin itong i-delete. Okay? So, makikita mo dito yung delete or pwede kang mag-right click and then select mo lang dito yung delete. Ayan. And next sa files na pwede natin i-delete, ito yung apomngr.dll. So, same procedure. So, select mo lang yan and kailangan mo lang mag-right click and i-click mo lang dito yung delete. Ayan. So, once na-delete mo na yung dalawa and yung last na files na pwede nating i-delete ay ito yung cmd.rtr.dll. So, same procedure. Select mo lang siya and kailangan mo lang mag-right click and i-click mo lang dito yung delete. Ayan. So, once na-delete mo na yung tatlong files dito sa File Explorer, and then next solution na pwede natin gawin, so close lang natin yan, is to run the SFC and DSIM scan. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin? All you have to do is to select again on a search menu. And dito sa search for apps, so type mo lang dito yung CMD or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt and kailangan mo lang mag-right click and select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control and i-click mo lang dito yung yes. And dito sa administrator command prompt, and then kailangan lang natin i-enter tong command keyword na DSIM space / online space / cleanup dash image space / restore health. So, copy lang natin yan. Gamitin mo yung keyboard shortcut na Ctrl+C. And then, ipipaste natin dito. Pwede mong gamitin yung keyboard shortcut na Ctrl+B and press mo lang yung enter. And deployment, image, servicing, and management tool. So, dito ay kailangan lang hintay na makomplete ang verifications into 100%. And the restore operations completed successfully. And the next command keyword na kailangan natin i-enter ay type mo lang dito yung command keyword na sfc space / scan now. So in all small letter lahat, and then yung /scan now ay one word yan and press mo lang yung enter. And beginning system scan, this process will take some time. Beginning verifications phase of system scan. So dito ay kailangan ulit natin na hintay na makomplete ang verifications into 100%. And finally, verifications 100% complete, and the next step, so close lang natin tong CMD at dito lang sa start menu and kailangan mo lang mag-restart. Okay, click mo lang yan. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to fix interrupt exception not handled BSOD error in Windows 10 or Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.